Hello there YouTube, it's your boy Mighty Reds, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited FC points for my FC mobile game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website, it's called appsneak.com, you will find it easily and click on FC mobile. And guys, it will load up, so there we will have to enter our FC mobile user ID. So guys, if you don't know how to find it, just click here how to find it. It's pretty simple, just go to settings and copy your user ID. I have already copied mine, just paste it, click continue, and it will start searching for our user account, and you should get this user found. So there we go. Now we'll select our desired amount of our points. So I will select almost 1 million. It's currently this amount. I will click continue when you select this, and guys, third step will load up and API will start connecting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and review more websites. And let's see, nice guys, look at this, API connected, our user account connected. And now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not your robot, guys, and let's see what we'll get. So there we go, look at this guys, verification successful. Thank you for pressing the bot check. Our user ID and our points are sent. I'm so excited to open our FC mobile game now and to see is it actually working, guys. Sorry about that. So let's see, we will wait for this loading screen, and then we will see is it actually working or no. Let's just wait it, and let's see. Look at this guys, we're actually receiving our FC points, guys. It works amazing. I'm so excited because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, appsneak.com actually worked so far. Guys, I'm so excited because I'm going to play FC mobile whole day until I waste all those points. So that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.